hammer or a clean knife. So this time I'm using a knife. To find a good place you have to find a homogeneous area, either forest, grassland, shrubland, whatever. Now we are in a woodland, which is actually a park in a city. We'll find a homogeneous area, which is here, and the plot size is 28 by 28 meters. No, sorry, 28 meters radius if it's a circular plot, or 50 by 50 meters if it's a rectangular plot. And you can select a random tree which you can easily recognize to start with. So let's say this is the central spot. First we will record the coordinates from this center, otherwise we might forget. And we can divide this circular plot into 4 quadrats. It's easy to take a direction either to a very prominent big tree that you can see, or the sun. The sun is in this direction, so it's quite easy to divide by sun longitudinally and in a crossway. For this design we will collect 40 soil samples, around 20 randomly selected trees, and each of the trees, the 5 trees per quadrant. And the sampling will be about 1 to 1.5 meter from tree trunk. We just cut out the soil core around 5 centimeter diameter, and get a handful of soil from this core. We don't take this core because it's just too big. We need a little bit of material. Then we walk to the other side of the tree and take the second core. So the first was core 1A, and so this I can count as core 1B. Counting in this way, you won't mess it up too badly. So we have a minimum distance of 8 meters between 2 trees. So I'm moving to the next tree, which is at least 88 meters distant. So this tree fits well with this criterion. So again we go to around 1 or 1.5 meters, and I carve out the core. Roughly 2 or 3 grams of soil from each core hole. So this is now sample 2B, and now I would move to the next tree 8 meters distant. And here it would be core 3A. And in this way we would sample 40 cores around a total of 20 trees.